Hello and welcome to this new video on how to embed a link in a Reddit post. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So first you need to open the web browser a bit. So after that you just need to go to the source bar of the web browser and type Reddit and press enter, and the source result will show you the Reddit. So you just need to click on that and their interface will be opened. So in order to add a link or embed a link on a Reddit post, firstly you need to create a post, and to create a post you need to go to the top right corner. There is a plus sign and a create option. So you just need to click on the create option and you need to add a title, and after that you need to go to the body box and you just need to add your body, and in the top of the body box there are different icons, and this icon, when you hover around this, the link will be shown to you. And when the link is shown to you, when you are hovering around this icon, you just have to click on the link, add the text, and you just need to add the link that you want to add, and you need to press save. After that the link will be saved and embedded in your post, and there is a post button. You can just click on the post button and the post will be done on the Reddit. So this is how you can easily embed a link in the Reddit post. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.